In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for this pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. Then confirm your choice in the second one. So when I do that, I can see that my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, pinch your device's display. Hit Widgets between icons and layout at the bottom. And scroll to find the Google app. When you find it, select search bar under it, hold it, drag it to the proper place, and when you're ready, let go. Then tap on Done at the top right corner, or simply hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!